In our previous sessions of class 11 geography, we have gone through fundamentals of physical geography. We did very first two chapters of that book. Chapter 1, geography as a discipline, and chapter 2, evolution and origin of the earth. Today we have picked a very new topic of another book, that is India Physical Environment. It's chapter 1, India location. And when it's come to the location of any place, longitudinal and latitudinal extent is very important. Though India is a South Asian country and falls in northern hemisphere, it is extending from Kashmir to Kanyakumari in the north to south. That is around 3,214 km from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. It's a north-south extent. East-west extent is 2,933 km from Arunachal in the east and Gujarat in the west. Its latitude is 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north. Longitude 68 degree 7 east to 97 degree 25 minute east. Almost 30 degree latitudinal and longitudinal extent we do have in our country. It's this way. If you see from here, it's 36.7 north to here, 8 degree 4 minute north. From here to here, physical distance is 3,214 km and latitudinal distance is 30 degree. From 8 degree 4 north to 37 degree 27, 6 degree 7 minute north. And from here, from westernmost point of India to easternmost point of India, from Gujarat to Arunachal, it's 2,930 kilometer physical distance. And longitudinally, it is 68 degree 7 minute east, this line, to 97 degree 25 minute east, this way, right? And if you see the latitudinal and longitudinal extent, totally 30 degree 30 degree, right? So now see the implication of this thing, these two things, latitude and longitude. First, implication of latitudinal extent. As you know, tropical cancer passing through India's center and divide in two parts, tropical zone in the south, subtropical zone in the north, this way. If you see the map of India here, this tropical cancer, this passing through India's center, and this part to the north of this zone is subtropical climate, and here in this region it's subtropical climate. In the South India, it's summer throughout the year. But in the northern hemisphere, the northern part of India, which falls in the north of Tropic of Cancer, it's hot in summer, and summers are though long, but during the winter from November to February, November, December, January, February, these 4 months are little cool, right? So this is climatical division done by this Tropic of Cancer, right? Now, implication of longitudinal extent. Same, there is a variation of 30 degree longitudinal extent which causes time difference of nearly 2 hours between easternmost, means Arunachal, Nagaland, Manipur. Westernmost point means Gujarat, Rajasthan. 82 degree 30 minute is selected as IST, Indian Standard Time of India. This is passing from Allahabad near Mirzapur, right? This longitude has been selected as India's the central longitude, which is generally referred as India's standard time. This happened this way: sun rises 2 hours earlier in northeastern states like Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur. Here, in this part, sun rises first across the whole country. This is the place where sun rises first. as earth move from west to east, that is why sun firstly rises from eastern direction, right? But when sun first ray falls here, it is darker over here, because from here 97 degree 25 to 68 degree 7 east, there is a 30-degree longitudinal difference. And as you know, India, there are 360 longitude. Earth rotate at 360 degree in one day, means 24 hour. If we take this in minutes or convert 24 hour into minutes, it's 1440 minutes. This way, Earth rotate at 1 degree on an average. 360 divided by 24 is equal to 4 minutes. Means in at 1 degree, Earth takes 4 minutes. Our longitudinal difference is 68 degree 7 to 97 degree 25 east. It's mean 30 degree longitude. To rotate on 30 degree means 30 degree per minute per longitude 4 minute. 30 into 4 is equal to 120 minute. Means 2 hour. This way, from this part to this part, there is a 2 hour difference in sunrises. If it is very morning here in Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, it's still dark in the morning, right? This is just because of this longitudinal difference. And this is for today. Tomorrow we will do the other aspects of India's location, right? Thank you.